glad you joined us. So I am doing this for my little. I'm unable to be close to practice reading, and so I thought I would make these reading channel so that my little can follow along as I read aloud and develop that better reading skill for someone that matters to me. But I'm glad you joined us. You might not have this book, but in the ones to come, I'm actually going to give you an opportunity to maybe look for that book or those books at the library, and then like my little, you too can follow along. So I'm Kiki, and I'm glad you joined us. Today, we're going to get ready to read The Puppet Show. So if you have paid attention before, we sometimes have to get ready, and that means I have to pull my hair out of the way so that I am a better reader, because I need to be focused on my reading time. I'm at a quiet place, so maybe you're getting ready for bed, or this is just your quiet time in the afternoon, and you too find a quiet place. I hear my puppy. My puppy's coming down the stairs. I've got my glasses. They're a little dirty at the moment, so let's clean those up, and then we'll get ready to read. I need my glasses. Do you use glasses when you read? All right, you ready? Okay. The Puppet Show. The Puppet Show. Here, Jack, said his mom. Here are socks you wanted. What are you going to do with them? We're going to have a puppet show at school, said Jack, and I want to make some puppets. Jack worked on his puppets all day long. He made 2 puppets. He made a big puppet and a little puppet. They were dog puppets. Jack made his puppets do tricks, but Jack still had one little sock. He didn't know what to do with the little sock. I will see if Harriet needs a little sock, said Jack. Jack took his puppets to Harriet's house. Look at my puppets, Harriet, said Jack. I made 2 dog puppets. How do you like them? My puppets can do tricks. Jack gave his puppets to Harriet. Harriet looked at Jack's puppets. They are good puppets, Jack, she said, but they don't look like dogs to me. They look like bears. Jack looked at his puppets. They do look like bears, he said. I wanted them to look like dogs. Oh, well, bears will have to do. I have something here, Harriet, said Jack. He took the little sock. Look, he said, Mom gave me one of David's socks. It is very little. I don't know what to do with it. Can you do something with this little sock? He gave it to Harriet. She looked at it. It is very little, said Harriet. Let's go to Pat's house. He can help us do something with little sock. Then Harriet got her puppet. I want to show Pat my puppet too, she said. Here it is. Do you like it? I worked on it all day long. Oh, yes, Harriet, said Jack. That's a very good puppet. It's a little girl, isn't it? Yes, said Harriet. I know my puppet will be the best one in the school puppet show. Come on, Jack. Let's go to Pat's house. A puppet for Pat. Hi, Pat, said Jack. Hi, Jack, said Pat. Hi, Harriet. We came to see your puppet, said Harriet. Pat didn't look very happy. I don't have a puppet to show you, he said. Mom didn't have any socks to make puppets with, so I didn't make one. I can't be in the puppet show. But let me see your puppets. Jack made 2 puppets, said Harriet. He made dog puppets, but I think they look like bears. Then Harriet took out her puppet. This is my puppet, she said. It's a little girl. Isn't she pretty? I know my puppet will be the best one in the school puppet show. Look, Pat, said Jack. Here is one of David's little socks. Can you do something with it? Pat looked at the little sock. Then he looked at the two bear puppets. He looked at the little girl puppet. Well, said Harriet, can you do something with it? Yes, said Pat. I have a great idea, but I'm not going to say what it is. Just wait. It will surprise you, but you will know what it is. The little surprise. Pat ran to get some string. Then he worked very hard. He worked very hard for a long time. At last he made a puppet. Here is the surprise, he said. What do you think of it? Jack and Harriet looked at the puppet. That's funny, said Jack. It looked at his dog. He looked at his dog puppets that looked like bears. Then he looked at Pat's puppet again. The little puppet is just like my two puppets, he said. Then Jack laughed. I know what we have, said Jack. Oh, Pat, that's a good idea. Look, Harriet, you know what we have to do too, don't you? Harriet looked at the puppets. Then she laughed. Yes, I do, said Harriet. My puppet is Goldilocks, she said, and your puppets are the three bears. Now we have to do Goldilocks and the three bears in the puppet show. Oh, Pat, what a good idea. Thank you for joining me. We'll do Harriet's surprise.